Hello everyone. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to create an interesting double-sided rib stitch with a 2-stitch zigzag in the knit column and 3 loops in the divider. The result is a 2-layer fabric with a lot of volume and relief. I will also explain how to knit this stitch in the round at the end of the video. To start, you will need to cast on several loops, which are a multiple of 5 plus 3 for symmetry, and add 2 edge loops. It's important to note that for this stitch, we will knit similarly on both the right and wrong sides. The first row is on the right side. After the edge loop, purl 3 loops outside the scheme. Next are 2 loops in the knit part. Knit the second, then knit the first. Slip 1 loop with thread in front and purl 2. Again, knit the second, then knit the first. Slip 1 loop with thread in front and purl 2. The second row is on the wrong side. Similar to the first row, after the edge loop, knit 3 loops outside the scheme. We will cross and purl the next 2 loops. Purl the second, then purl the first. Slip 1 loop with thread at the back and knit 2. Again, purl the second, then purl the first. Slip 1 loop with thread at the back and knit 2. When knitting in the round, we start with the several loops, which are multiples of 5. We will knit only on the right side. On the first row, purl 1, knit the second loop, then knit the first. Slip 1 loop with thread in front and purl 1. Again, purl 1, knit the second loop, then knit the first. Slip 1 loop with thread in front and purl 1. On the second row, slip 1 loop with the thread in front. Cross the next 2 stitches with the second in front, knit them, and then purl 2. Again, slip 1 loop with the thread in front. Cross the next 2 stitches with the second in front, knit them, and then purl 2. On this screen, you can see the flat and round knitting patterns. You can copy them by pausing the video and taking a screenshot with the print screen button. I have presented you with a new original double-sided rib stitch with an unusual relief and texture. It is ideal for hats and scarves because it creates good volume. It will give an attractive look and elegant style to any garment or accessory knitted with it. I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Knot Space Shop icon or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.